Hey guys, and welcome to another Factorio mod spotlight. I'm Exterminator, and thank you for joining me. Today we are going over the Atomic Robots mod, and this one is fairly similar to, I believe it was called Fusion Bots or Fusion Robots, that was made quite a while ago. A bit different. What this does is this allows you to make some special robots with fuel cells, and they do not require charging. So you take your fuel cells, your uranium fuel cells, and you combine them with a normal robot, and then you can make these atomic construction robots and these atomic logistics robots. They do not have any more health or anything, but they do not require charging at all. So, research. You unlock these with these two researches, red, green, blue. For both of them, same cost. And I have some here, and I have some cheat mode autofilling provider chests here, and then some requester chests. When we request stuff, we're gonna see the bot surge, and they will not require any charging. So I'm gonna go ahead and request 500. Really nice graphics as well, I think, made by Angel, Archangel, who did Angel's mods, obviously. So, they're kind of heavy, I would say, like heavy as in like very graphically heavy, but really nice looking. But you're noticing that none of them are charging, so these bots do not need to charge whatsoever. In terms of balance and stuff, I would say this is maybe a little overpowered. The other mod I mentioned before, Fusion Robots, required actually a fusion reactor per bot, which I think was maybe a little overkill. I feel like something in between this mod and that and the Fusion Bots mod would probably be a good compromise. Because, uranium cells aren't that expensive. Once you get your Covrex process going and stuff, you have more than enough, 235 to make these, and then they only require one of that and 10 iron, and then you get 10 of these, and of course the bad uranium as well. But for bots that don't require any charging, I feel like that's still a little bit cheap. Maybe like a fuel cell and like 20 processing units or something, or 10 processing units, or maybe 10 fuel cells, so it's actually like an entire process worth of these, because with one process of this you can make 10 bots. But overall, I think it's really cool. I mean, not being able to charge is a huge advantage. It increases bot throughput and stuff for sure. And if you're into that, then definitely check this out. I would say really good mod and a good replacement for the Fusion Bots mod, which I'm not sure if it's updated or not. But this one is quite nice overall. Just maybe a little bit too cheap for the bots, I'd say. But there you go. There's the mod. If you if you want to play around with it, link in the description to check it out. And I believe I covered everything. You just, again, take a normal bot and then add in a fuel cell, and you get these bots that don't require charging. They don't require special ports or anything, obviously, since they don't charge. And they'll just go about their business. So there you go. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did and found this helpful, feel free to leave a like. And any thoughts and such you have, leave down in the comments. I will check them out. But until next time, I look forward to seeing you all, and do take care.